Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 6 for the subject of computers. Topic is categories of computers and computer languages, which is covered in chapter 1 starting on page number 6 of your textbook titled Logic 6 and is being submitted to you on 5th of April year 2021. This voice is of Rupinder Kaur. So, I hope all the students are ready for today's lesson. The name of the topic is Types of Computers. Children, as you know that computer is an electronic device for storing and processing data. There are various types of computers that are designed and categorized with respect to their size, speed, storage capacity, and cost. Children, today we will discuss various types of computers. Types of computers. Number 1, microcomputers. Students, microcomputers are small in size and are mainly used in homes, schools, offices, etc. These computers are usually designed for personal use. There are various types of microcomputers that are discussed below. A. Desktop computers. A desktop computer is a personal computer that is designed for regular use at a single location and they fit on the top of a desk comfortably. It comes with several units such as monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, etc. B. Laptop computers. These devices are battery operated and are portable, which means you can carry laptops from one place to another. These are small in size and can be placed on the lap. Laptops usually have 13 to 15 inch screen. C. Tablet computers. Tablets are smaller and lighter than laptops, but bigger than smartphones. It is having a touch sensitive screen for typing and navigation. Tablets have 7-inch, 8-inch or 10-inch screen. D. Palm top computers. A device that can fit in the palm of your hand is known as palm top computers. It has a small screen and compressed keyboard. This device has similar features as that of a computer. E. Handheld devices. The handheld computers are also known as personal digital assistants, PDAs. These devices are small in size and can easily be held in hand. They can be easily carried in a pocket. For example, smartphones, game consoles, tablets, etc. Smartphone is a handheld device that is basically used for calling, but it includes all the basic features of a computer. Whereas game consoles are used to play interactive video games. This device comes with a display screen, game controls, and speakers. F. Embedded system. It is designed to perform a specific task in various devices. It is made up of all essential computer components like CPU, RAM, ROM, input-output medium, but it does not have keyboard, mouse, or hard disk drive. For example, TV sets, washing machines, microwaves, etc. are the devices that are controlled by embedded system. This system is also known as microcontroller. Students, I am giving you 3 minutes break. During break, try to answer the following questions. Question 1. The dash computers are also called PDAs. Question 2. Laptops usually have dash inch screen. Question 3. Dash are used in homes, schools, office, etc. Welcome back, children. Before starting our next topic, let me give you the answers of the questions asked during break. Answer 1. Handheld. Answer 2. 13 to 15 inch. Answer 3. Microcomputers. Children, in our next topic, we will discuss another type of computers. Number 2. Mini computers. These computers are bigger in size than microcomputers and have a higher processing speed. These computers or devices can support about 4 to 200 users at the same time. Mini computers are not used for personal use at homes. They are used in big organizations. Number 3. Mainframe computers. They are very expensive and are mainly used for bulk data processing in big organizations, scientific laboratories, etc. Mainframe computers are big in size with large memory and high speed. Number 4. Supercomputers. These computers are used for weather forecasting, space research, etc. Supercomputers are very powerful devices with a huge processing speed. Children, I am ending the lesson. Kindly read the side boxes carefully given on page number 7. Thank you.